Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Gaming Basics. In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how to get the daily dash on your Slotomania game. So at first, just open your phone, and as you open your phone, open the Slotomania game from wherever it is located. And as you open your Slotomania, it takes a while to load, so all you have to do is just wait. And guys, as it loads, you are on this home screen as I am. So just stay at this home screen and just select any of the game you want to play at first. And as you're inside the game, all you have to do is just look at your left bottom corner for that calendar sign, and as you see it, just click on there. And as you click it guys, you can see the option daily dash right here. So to get this, all you have to do is just spin the wheel 20 times, and as you spin the wheel 20 times, you will get the daily dash rewards. So guys, that's how you get the daily dash on your Slotomania game. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Also hit the bell icon to get updates with our latest videos, and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.